This is Section 2, in which we shall be looking at ladder inspection. Inspect the rungs and make sure that none are broken, bent or loose in the rails. If you do come across such a problem, then do not use that ladder, as it is extremely unsafe. On step ladders, inspect each step for looseness and structural damage. Staying with step ladders, also check such items as the braces, all bolted or riveted attachments, and the support legs for any wear, looseness or damage. In the case of wooden ladders, check for timber splitting and wood rot. Further, check that the whole ladder assembly stands firmly on all four legs when opened up on a level surface. A wobbling step ladder on a level surface generally indicates that the structure is damaged through previous stress or misuse. Inspect the rails of all ladder types for any damage or structural weakening, such as distortion or cracking. Be very wary of an aluminium ladder that has been repaired or welded. Extendable ladders require further attention, specifically to the locking devices and the rail guides. These devices must work properly and without snagging or jamming. Ropes and pulleys on extension ladders must be in good order. Worn parts are dangerous and might cause the fly section to drop as you haul it up. Check all the moving parts for wear and make sure that pulleys turn freely. Many ladders are equipped with non-skid feet. Check these feet for damage or for wear. If the serrations or grooves have been worn away, then you are going to slip if you use that ladder. It must be noted that wooden ladders should not be painted. Paint hides defects. Wooden ladders may be treated with clear wood preservatives or clear varnish only. Always make sure that any ladder you use is clean and free from grease, mud, or any other substance that could cause you to slip whilst you're on it. A fiberglass ladder that is to be used on or near to live electrical installations must be cleaned using a suitable solvent and then dried thoroughly. In this way, the risk of electrical flashover is reduced. In summary, all ladders should be checked for any structural defect that could result in your falling or slipping. Ladders must be clean and free of any substance that might cause you to slip. Ladders being used on live electrical installations must be clean and dry.